What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be installing just a couple of little pieces. We're gonna be putting the Garnish, I believe that's how you call them, and we're gonna be installing a brand new hood on this. Well, I don't have any help at the moment, so I'm gonna try to do this alone. Hopefully nothing goes bad, but I got you guys. You guys got me, right? We got each other, right? All right, let's get to it, man. Here are the pieces. These are from Rexpeed. And we also have the carbon fiber hood. Now, I'm a little bit concerned, to be honest, about how the black is gonna look, you know, because it's just a black hood pretty much. So I guess I'm just gonna put it on and then see how it looks, but most likely I think I'm gonna end up wrapping it. I'm just gonna wrap it purple just like the rest of the car, and then with some black accents in it. That way, you know, it gives it more of that aggressive look, but it kind of goes along with it. But I'm just gonna try it out, see how the black looks, and if I don't like it, I'll just end up wrapping it and then show you guys the process as well. Cleaning the back. And what I'm using right now is just some alcohol. It's the one that you find at Walgreens or any of those stores. Rubbing alcohol. 3M double stick tape. Just gonna lay it down right here. And I think we have to put some here. I'm just gonna use some pry tools and we're just gonna pry this thing off. So we're gonna clean that off because there's a lot of dirt. It's dirty. We're just gonna clean it. Which one do you guys like best? Top or bottom? I think top. I wanted to find just like a black version of this, not carbon fiber, but I wasn't able to find one. Oh well, it is what it is. What do you guys think? Looks better with this one, or is it better with the old one? New, old. I kind of like just the gloss black look of it. That's why I kind of just wanted to gloss black with that one. Maybe I'll just end up painting them. Screw the bolts in. Now I just gotta check the fitment, see how it fits on the left and right, and right there up on the front. Man, hopefully it's good, man. Good luck, boys. It's one side. I say we probably have about 1/8 of a gap right there. And right here, I think the front fender right here is a little bit more out than the other one, so I'll probably have to move the fender a little bit more forward, but the rest of it, it's fine. It's just, I guess it's part of it, so I have to shift it a little bit, just a tiny bit. What do you guys think? Yeah, I don't like it, boys. Let me open this whole gate. Nah, nope. We need the purple on it. We need the purple there. We gotta wrap that up. Alright guys, so now that we put the carbon fiber hood on, I don't like the look of it. So we're gonna wrap it. But there's some couple of things I wanted to go over with you guys. The vents here, show you guys real quick. The vents here pretty much, I mean everything else is gonna be purple, so that it goes with the wrap, right? But the vents here on this part, because the wrap, it's not gonna be able to stretch all the way through. So we have to make some inlays here. So I think I'm gonna leave this inlays gloss black. That way it goes with the rest of the car, and then the rest is gonna be purple. And I think it's gonna look pretty good. It's gonna look better. Right now, just honestly, I'm not a big fan of carbon fiber, and I feel like it's too much carbon fiber, and it kind of like offsets the whole theme, you know? It kind of doesn't look good. I mean, not to my liking. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it, and I'll show you guys the process. I'll show you guys the process of putting the inlays first. Then after that, then we'll wrap the rest of the hood. Let's get to it, guys. All right, guys, so we're gonna be cleaning out the hood first, because it's a little bit dusty right now. We'll be using soapy water first, and then we're gonna use some alcohol right after. So use one rag for the soapy water and then another one for the alcohol. Alright guys, so I'm gonna lay the knifeless tape here on this edge. We're gonna go out a little bit in. We're gonna lay it down right here. It's gonna go here, and it's gonna be laying on this body line right here, so we can kind of hide it. So now that we're here, we gotta lay it down. We're gonna do the same for this side, that side, and that one, for the 4 of them. Alright guys, so I got the inlays in, gloss black, you guys can see. So now we're just gonna get to lay the purple, make some cuts, make it look good, and then we're gonna be good to go. off a little bit of dust on the vinyl. So I can peel it off. Spray a little bit of soapy water. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. What do you guys think? Is it way better than the just the carbon fiber being exposed? I really like it. I really think that it looks way better than just the all black carbon fiber, you know what I mean? Oh yeah. Yeah man, the carbon fiber by itself, it just offset it too much. Right now I'm just focusing on the aesthetics of the car. My objective with this car is gonna be learning how to drift at some point. So right now I'm just gonna focusing on the car looking good, you know what I mean? Because it's my daily driver. You know, I use the car every day and I like the car to look good. All right guys, we come to the end of the video. Hit that like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.